Welcome to Computers Repair Plus. We are a local computer repair and cell phone repair store in Lakewood, Blvd, Bradenton, Florida. Today I'm here to show you. Normally we do micro soldering at Computers Repair Plus. Normally there is no other local repair shop, how far I know, do the micro soldering job here. So the one we just replace a bad charging port. So this is the bad charging port for iPad. Let me see. Yep, this is a bad charging port, and we remove this one, and here is the new one. We just soldered it. So as you can see, if you can take a look here, so this is the new one we just soldered. This is called the micro soldering, especially for the iPad charging port. So if you need to replace your iPad charging port or any bad ports or screen, crack screen, battery for cell phone, iPad, tablet, computer, anything, now you know we are here. Definitely we are supporting our neighbors to replacing bad charging port and soldered any kind of micro soldering here at Computers Repair Plus, Lakewood Range, Bradenton. And our address is 1829 Lakewood Range Blvd, Bradenton 34211. And our contact number is 941-567-6431. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.